no subscription fee, but we do ask for 2 documents. One is our disclosure, for me to disclose everything to you, okay? The second one is a POF. Those 2 documents get you in the door to start having access and receiving the inventory weekly. We get about like 10 to 20 deals a week consistently throughout the day. By the end of the day, by the end of the month, you window shop about 50 to 60. So there's a lot of inventory we get. Then it goes into your proof of funds. Proof of funds. POF, proof of funds. I mean, because I'm so nice, 20K will get you in the door with me. You know, and that's just to get you in the door. Obviously, when you're ready to buy, you'll give me whatever you have, right? But yeah, that's pretty much, you know, what we do and why I'm here. Yeah. So feel free to ask me for any questions. I would be more than happy to help you out.
And I'll just say, for only needing 20K proof of funds to get on a buyer's list,
That's pretty darn good.
Coming through is really low, which is fantastic. As investors, I think we should be on as many different lists
Yep.
and lead flow. Because here's the thing: if she sends you crap and you don't want it, there might be somebody that's looking for that crap that you don't
Yep.
know. And it allows you to now partner with somebody on a crap deal that you don't think is great, but meets their buy.
Yep.
Right? Awesome.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Bella.
Okay, you're welcome.
Jack.